In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Uber driver account. This guide is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly, whether you're new to Uber or just need a refresher. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to becoming an Uber driver partner and starting your journey in ride sharing. First, let's begin by heading over to the official Uber Eats website. Open your browser and type in the URL www.ubereats.com. This is where your adventure begins, as Uber Eats is closely integrated with Uber to provide delivery and driving opportunities. Once you've arrived at the Uber Eats homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll find all the options you need to proceed. Next, look for what we commonly refer to as the hamburger menu. This icon consists of three horizontal lines and is typically located in the top left corner of the page. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu providing you with various options. Navigate this menu carefully as it holds the key to beginning the sign-up process. Now, within this drop-down menu, locate and click on the Sign Up to Deliver option. This link is your gateway to creating a new driver account with Uber. Selecting it will guide you to a new page specifically designed for prospective partners like yourself. Here, you'll find all the necessary steps and forms you need to complete to get started. Once you're on the driver sign-up page, you'll see a prompt to get started with your application. Click Get Started to begin the process. This will lead you through a series of prompts that are designed to gather essential information from you. Take your time with this part. Accuracy is key to ensuring your application is processed smoothly. As you progress, you'll reach the point where you need to fill out all the required forms. This step involves providing essential details such as your name, contact information, and any relevant driving history. Make sure that the information you provide is accurate and up to date. It's especially important to check everything twice before submitting, since any inaccuracies could delay your application and ultimately your ability to start earning with Uber. Once all your information is filled out correctly, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your application. Uber may require additional verification steps such as background checks and vehicle inspections, which will be communicated to you during this process. After this, all you can do is sit back and wait for your application to be reviewed. Congratulations on taking the first step toward joining the Uber family as a driver partner. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions. Once approved, you'll be free to drive and earn on your schedule. Thanks for watching and best of luck in your new venture.